You are going to love the 2010 Altima. The Nissan Altima offers advanced features to make life easier, including push-button ignition, which comes standard. Combine that with a powerful V6 or efficient 4-cylinder engine, 6 standard airbags, and over 5,000 quality and performance tests, and you'll see the Nissan Altima is made to drive and built to last, and is priced below $10,000. This vehicle has less than 110,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, cargo area light. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.